Step 3 of the Search Campaign Builder is the addition of text for the ads. To create your first ad, click the plus button. Writing the text for ads in title case is recommended, as it has been proven to improve click-through rates. To switch this automation off, move the switch on title case to no. As mentioned in the keywords tutorial, keywords can be automatically used to create headline 1 in your ads. Having your keyword as headline 1 assists with keyword to ad relevance and improves click-through rates. Leave the default setting headline 1 recommended for this to happen automatically. If preferred, you can choose to place your keyword into headline 2 or 3, or leave it out altogether so that you can write 3 independent headlines. For headlines, you have a maximum of 30 characters including spaces, and a total of 90 characters for each description. When you are ready, you can type or paste in your ad text. Once you have completed your ad text, the last field to complete is the final URL. Please enter the full URL of the target landing page. It's always recommended to split test a minimum of 2 ads at a time. To create your second ad, click the plus button again. Alternatively, click Copy to New Ad to duplicate the first ad so that changes to the original text can be made. When you have completed creating your ads, click Next to move on to Step 4, Ad Extensions.